In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on call vibration on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Sounds and Haptics from the list. Within here, scroll down again and tap on Ringtone. Now make sure you are at the top of this page and tap on Haptics. Set this to one of the haptics options or create a custom one. If one was already selected, make sure that silent mode is not turned on. You can still have silent mode on if you need it, as long as you check the haptics settings on the main Sound and Haptics page. Tap on this and choose Always Play or Play in Silent Mode. That's how to turn on call vibration on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.